Let's answer the most frequently asked questions to do with planting lettuce. First question is, how long does it take for lettuce to grow? Now, lettuce is a fast-growing crop. Depending on the variety, it can take anywhere from 30 to 70 days from planting to harvest. The second question is, does lettuce regrow after cutting? Now, lettuce won't regrow after being cut like some of the herbs, but loose leaf varieties, they can be harvested repeatedly, and they can be harvested by cutting the leaves, and this actually does allow the plant to keep producing. And what is the best month to plant lettuce? Lettuce is a cool season crop. The best time to plant it depends on your local climate. In most regions, lettuce can be planted in early spring or in early fall. Now, does lettuce need full sun? Lettuce actually does not need full sun. It actually prefers partial shade to full sun. In hot climates, it benefits from some afternoon shade to prevent wilting and bolting. How often do you water lettuce? Lettuce actually needs consistent moisture. Water it regularly, especially during the dry seasons, ensuring that the soil remains constantly moist but not waterlogged. Can I grow lettuce all summer? Now, in many regions, lettuce struggles in the heat of summer. However, choosing a high tolerant varieties and providing shade can actually extend the growing season. Is lettuce easy to grow? Absolutely. Lettuce is easy to grow, making it a popular choice for beginner gardeners. Does lettuce like morning or afternoon sun? Lettuce generally prefers morning sun and partial shade in the afternoon to protect it from intense heat. How do you pick lettuce? To ensure that it keeps on growing. Harvest lettuce by cutting the outer leaves. Allow the inner leaves to continue to grow. Now, this method is amazing and it allows the plant to keep producing throughout the season. Does lettuce keep on producing? Lettuce, especially loose leaf varieties, they can keep producing leaves if harvested properly. Regular harvesting promotes consistent growth. How many times can you harvest lettuce? Now, you can harvest loose leaf lettuce multiple times throughout the growing season. Head varieties are typically harvested once, but new ones can be planted for subsequent harvests. Are you able to grow lettuce indoors? Yes, you can. Lettuce can be grown indoors, especially in well-lit areas or under grow lights. Indoor lettuce may require more attention in terms of lighting and moisture levels. Can lettuce grow in indirect sunlight? Now, lettuce can grow in indirect sunlight, but it does benefit from some direct morning sun. In short, it receives around 4 to 6 hours of light per day. Does lettuce need darkness? Lettuce seeds need some darkness in order to germinate. Plant them at the recommended depth, cover lightly with soil, and keep the soil consistently moist until sprouting. How do restaurants get lettuce so crisp? Now, restaurants often soak lettuce in ice water to crisp it before serving. Additionally, they use fresh, high-quality lettuce varieties. What happens if you let lettuce grow for too long? Now, if you allow lettuce to grow for too long, what happens is, first of all, it becomes bitter and it develops a rough texture. Regular harvesting does prevent this problem. Can you grow lettuce in raised bed? Absolutely. Lettuce grows well in raised beds. Ensure that the soil is well drained, and also make sure that the compost is the right in terms of the soil in order to ensure optimal growth. Lettuce plants like coffee grounds. Now, lettuce plants can actually benefit from coffee grounds when you use them in the compost or as mulch. Coffee grounds actually add organic matter to the soil. Can I grow lettuce indoors in winter? Yes, you can grow lettuce indoors in winter. Providing sufficient light and maintaining a stable temperature is really important for successful indoor water lettuce planting. This is the best temperature for growing lettuce. Now, lettuce prefers temperatures between 7 Celsius to 24 Celsius for optimal growth. It can tolerate light frost, but struggles in extreme heat. Can lettuce tolerate heat? Now, lettuce is not highly heat tolerant. Hot temperatures can actually cause it to bolt, which means produce flowers, making the leaves very bitter. What happens if the lettuce gets too much sun? Now, too much sun, especially hot climates, can actually cause the lettuce to wilt, become bitter, or bolt permanently. What temperature is too cold for lettuce? Now, lettuce can be damaged